Hello guys, hope you enjoyed the first video. So this is the Lamborghini Rare. As you can see, those wheels, monster wheels, are open to everybody. So the stones are pelted onto the back car like anything. So let's talk about this car. This car has a very bad reputation for its engine. It's a V8, so um, I can't promise it to be a great sounding car. It sounds like a Ducati bike. Yes, Ducati bike sounds good, but Lamborghinis are known for their V10 roars. So let's check out the boot here once. Decent one. If your getaway for a weekend needs only one bag, then you're good to go, or else you need to have a car follow you behind. So as I was telling, this has a V8, but the sound is something we have to let go or sacrifice for this car being this fast. This is the only car that revs to 10,000 RPM. So what that gives you is so that is what it gives you. It is much faster than its bigger brother, Ruvalto. And as my favorite YouTuber says,
this baby Lambo costs $250 million less, and it's quicker.
so do you forgive the sound? For whoever is waiting for a startup sound, this is the only way this car starts. It starts in a silent electric mode. No massive sounds, startup sounds like older Lamborghinis. So small glimpse of how I do guess the car shots for you all. Sir, according to you, what do you think is a direct competitor to this car?
So technically it is Testarossa, Ferrari.
Testarossa.
Yes.
I thought you'll say 12 cylinder.
12 cylinder is a GT.
So yeah, that is true actually. 12 cylinder is not a competition for this car, I believe.
It is more of a comfortable drive. You can turn the lane assist off. It will interrupt with your driving. Long press and hold.
Done?
No, it is still showing. Yeah, now it is. And you can add the left also, wherever needed.
It being a V10, a V8, I thought it will not be that fast, first thing, and I didn't expect it to sound this good. But V10 is V10 any day. Yeah, we can't compare it with it, but it's not. But it's not sounding any bad.
Yeah, I mean it's a different direction, it's a different thing altogether. If you would have noticed in the sport mode, you've touched 10,000 RPM and shifted the gear.
Yes.
You must have felt that difference in
Exactly.
when the gear shifted, the pull and everything.
It is so dynamic, the steering as well. Oh boy. You can exactly put it where you want it to be.
Correct, the feedback is so precise.
So precise and so accurate. This way, right?
Yeah, this one.
That 10,000 thing, I totally forgot. I wanted, that was the first thing on my mind to check it out, but the way this
You
car
forgot
pulled, I
about it.
totally forgot about it, sir. And the pedals, this metal feeling is very nice.
So the competition in Ferrari is
849 Testarossa.
Testarossa. And how about in McLaren, sir?
McLaren 750S, yes, it is also a competition. But this is quicker is what I would say. And Lamborghinis are very much more reliable when you compare to a McLaren.
Yeah, McLarens are poorly made, I believe.
Yeah, they have reliability issues.
What is this, sir?
That is for drift mode, sir.
I hope it is not activated.
Are you guys wondering what happens if drift mode is activated? I'll show you. As this is the rare mid-engine sports car from Lamborghini. When you turn the drift on, it does this. It drifts with ease. What a feeling, right?
You can put in cars as well, it is even more aggressive. Yeah.
As you said, it is much quicker than 2.7, I believe.
It is much bigger, sir.
Oh, what a car. Truly brilliant. It's doing that burbles.
You can check the braking also, sir. It is very good.
So, and it is pretty practical, sir. It has got a lot of space
Spaces
inside
to
also.
keep things,
Yeah, nice. It doesn't have cup holders here.
It has. That's it. Yeah. I'll show it you.
Okay. Nothing in the door.
Nothing.
What is your favorite part of this car?
Acceleration, sir.
Acceleration.
Madness, yeah. And the way the design is in the rear,
Yeah.
I just love it. It just looks like a Batmobile.
In black, it would be killer.
Yeah.
And I think orange does put it in the right place.
Correct.
What is the waiting period you said, sir?
So it will take around 9 to 12 months.
Why is that so, sir? I thought Lamborghini has got some allotment of 20 cars for this year. No?
We are sold for this year, sir.
Sold for this year?
Yeah, so your order will be going into production next year.
Oh boy. So we can expect it only in the next year,
Next year.
2027 end.
Could be around June, around this time.
What about
July.
FTA, sir? No effect from FTA,
There
right?
is nothing.
Is there any chance of hybrid getting included?
There is no way, sir.
Impossible.
Impossible. Yeah. I mean, at this point of time, the deal is done and there is no exception for plug-in
Electric
hybrids.
and hybrid.
Yeah, plug-in hybrids and electrics.
get enough of this car. Especially the steering, the size of it is so accurate and comfortable. I'm in love with this. When it touches that 10,000, I feel like whole car is in synchrony with the engine. In that Ford versus Ferrari,
Yes.
there's a dialogue
Yes.
when you were doing 7,000 RPM.
The body and the soul. becomes one
Body,
with the car.
soul, yeah. That exactly.
That feeling is there.
Exactly, that is what has happened to me. That's why I forgot about that 10,000
RPM.
only. Done?
Done.
Bus done. That is why I was not able to talk anything at that time.
I could understand.
That's pure joy.
So what do you think it is against the 296?
It's killer that we can't compare it with that. Somehow, I don't know if anybody can feel this, but Ferrari somehow felt very sensitive. Wherein this, I feel like I can use it every day.
Okay.
I can be like, I can throw it in the corners, throw it in the guts. It's taking everything. I don't know because of the interior or what. I'm just getting this feeling that this car is rough and tough, wherein
Yeah, this is
Ferrari
more
felt
rugged.
like very sensitive car.
Okay, more delicate one.
Yeah, a delicate one. See, even on those bad patch of roads, it took like it is nothing.
Absolutely. Can you imagine a sports car like that?
No. That's what I'm not feeling like I'm driving a sports car. I got so comfortable within like no time. I feel like it is already my daily driver. Something crazy about this car. I'm so shocked. I within like 15 minutes of getting into this car, I feel like I've been driving this car for a long time now. Very well made. So AC controls are everything inside.
Yes. We also have the dual screen here. I can see the speed here.
Okay.
If I'm scared to look at the other side.
It's got everything.
Yeah.
Very beautifully made. I think the best thing about this car, or the thing that I like the most, is how we can use it every day, sir.
Yes.
I think it's pretty easy. Though it's a long car, doesn't feel like it hugs you so tightly that you can put it in the corners with great confidence.
Yeah, the ground force is also very high compared to a Huracan. This is the ground force is very high on this one.
Imagine what a spoiler on this does. A big one like the one you showed me.
Yes.
What is that?
That's another performance tuning company. So they modify it to make the performance better. They tune the exhaust.
Okay. Oh, this is the hotel.
Yeah, we can take another turn.
My bad. This is what this car is doing.
I have to increase the height.
That's quick.
Yeah.
So no point of going for other cars when you can get this beauty for this price.
It is, sir. It is a killer. Tough to drive it slow. So the lift. Yeah, I think this will be enough, but still. Yeah. You've crossed 100 in that stretch.
Okay.
So it has come down again.
But what a beauty. I'm jealous of you now. You get to drive it all day.
Yeah, all day today, tomorrow it is here.
Wow.